Friends, these two phones are mid-range phones which can buy in affordable price. Friends, these are two smartphones which fulfill our daily routine need and easily operate the system of smartphone. So we can check out these how they are similar, what are the advantages and disadvantages, and what are the other details of the smartphone. Let us quick check out and basic details and other information of the two phone, which one is Samsung Galaxy A34 and another one is OnePlus Nord C3 Lite. Let's begin, friends. Check out the details and other informations. They look like similar, but the basic details of operating system and other software information was different. Let us begin. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again. Hi friends, today I am coming with a technical information about two smartphone, which is the very highest sale in 2023, or you can say that viral smartphone for 2023. The very good and best performance in 2023 smartphone. Let us see the basic details and other information, and we also see the advantages and disadvantages about these two phones, and what are the look like similars and what are the difference between these two phones. Let us begin, friends. Check out other details. Friends, here we are looking at two smartphone which is the best selling in the 2023, and also here we see the details of basic of Samsung Galaxy A34 and another one is OnePlus Nord C3 Lite. Let's check out the information. Friends, similar was in these two phones. The Samsung Galaxy A34 comes with parrot green color and Nord C3 Lite of OnePlus which comes in lime green color. Looking like similar with the bezels, but here a difference between screen 6.6 inches in A34 and 6.72 inches in OnePlus Nord C3 Lite. And the camera, here we get 48 megapixel 8 plus 5 MP camera in A34, and here in Nord C3 108 MP with 2 plus 2 MP camera in rear. Here we get front camera in A34 13 MP, and in Nord Plus C3 front camera comes with 16 MP. The both are batteries are working in a same 5000 mAh battery capacity and also same in 5000 mAh battery capacity in OnePlus Nord C3 Lite. Both are come with a 8GB of 128GB RAM and the supportive of MediaTek Dimensity in Samsung Galaxy A34 and Snapdragon support of 695 in a OnePlus Nord 3 Lite. Here we get Samsung Galaxy A34 approximate 32,000 and the OnePlus Nord 3 C Lite which we get in approximate 22,000. The price may vary according to your place and your offers may be vary. Both are run on Android version of 13 and you can system upgrade up to 4 years 2 plus 2. The Samsung Galaxy A34 runs on Android version 13 with the Samsung One UI custom, and here we get in OnePlus Nord 3 C Lite Android version 13 with the Oxygen OS. The CPU comes with both in octa-core and both are in 64-bit of Archer, and the fabrication with a 6nm in a both. In this Samsung Galaxy A34 we get MediaTek Dimensity 1080p with a MT6877 version, and in OnePlus Nord 3 C Lite we get Qualcomm Snapdragon 695. You can play mid-range setting for your games. The battery was fasterly drain in Samsung Galaxy A34 comparative Nord C3 Lite. In Samsung Galaxy A34, you get 6.6 inches of Super AMOLED display, and in OnePlus Nord 3C you get 6.72 inches of IPS LCD display. And here we get resolution of 1080p into 2340 pixels, and in OnePlus Nord 3C Lite 1080p with 2400 pixel. Here aspect ratio was 19.5:9, and here in this Nord C3 Lite we get 20.9 ratio, and pixel dimensity was 390 ppi, and here we get in Nord C3 Lite 392 ppi, and screen to body ratio was 84 percentage 0.7 percentage, and here we get 86.68 percentage, and the bezel less display with a here in Samsung Galaxy A34 with notch display, and here in Nord Plus 3 here we get punch hole display. The touchscreen was work with multi-touch in both, and also refresh rate was 120 Hz in a both, and the design was 161.3 mm in Samsung Galaxy A34, and in Nord 165.5 mm in Nord 3C Lite. Both phones are comes with plastic back, so smudges was possible. Better to use the cover for back and safety of your smartphone. And here we get in Note 3 Pistol Lime and Chromatic Grey here in Note 3C Lite, and in Samsung Galaxy A34 we get Awesome Lime, Awesome Silver and Awesome Graphite colors. The storage and RAM capacity also available in both phone. As per your requirement you can buy the phone. In Samsung Galaxy A34 here we get water resistance with a depth and 1 meter of IP67 rating. In Nord C3 Lite was here we not get any type of water resistance protection. Both are comes with triple camera with a 48MP with 1.8 aperture wide angle and primary camera in Samsung Galaxy A34, and 108MP with aperture of 1.7 wide angle primary camera in the Nord C3 Lite, and both support dual SIM for 5G. You can operate easily and smoothly. So friends, these are some of basic details and information about Samsung Galaxy A34 and OnePlus Nord C3 Lite 5G smartphone. For more information and detail, please check out before buying smartphone. Friends, the channel was working on different lifestyle subjects, so please see the other videos also, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like the channel, and keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again. Subscribe Heaven in 999 channel for more video and different subject. Keep supporting. Thanks for watching. Thank you once again.